He's a knocking and a yelling and he's only useful. Well, I moved to town just a while ago, and I got in a mess and I can't lay low. Back home, all I had was my guitar, living in the backwoods on Daddy's farm, sitting on the front porch till the evening comes. Living in the backwoods on Daddy's farm.
Come on, ain't that cold out there?
Now my old girl was a Cadillac car. She was long and sleek and dressed in black, but I caught her cruising with another dude. So what did I do? Well, I shot her down with my blue 22. Back home, all I had was my guitar.
Late. Get ready. I've been training harder than anybody else. I tell you what, our match on Friday is gonna be easy. I'm gonna take you and I'm gonna whip you. It ain't nothing you can do about it. And as far as the bunkhouse stampede, I tell you what, I'm in the cold weather of North Dakota. Right now, training hard. I'm gonna come into that bunkhouse stampede, and I'm gonna come out as the NOW heavyweight champion. Because what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna win that bunkhouse stampede, and then I'm gonna face the Patriot 3. And boy, let me tell you something. You ain't never been in a war like you're gonna be in when Dirty Dan gets his hands on you. So get ready, North Dakota, my night, December 12th, 13th, here I come. Dirty Dan Hanson from Better, Texas. And if you don't believe it, just ask me.